When Elon Musk unveiled the Cybertruck in 2019, it looked like a prop from a sci-fi film. Bulletproof, stainless steel, and futuristic. It wasn't just a truck, it was a statement. Musk called it Tesla's best product ever. But now, in mid-2025, it's clear the Cybertruck hasn't lived up to that promise. With delivery numbers far below target, repeat recalls, collapsing resale value, and a political storm swirling around its creator, the Cybertruck may go down as one of the boldest misfires in automotive history. Let's break it down. In the second quarter of this year, Tesla delivered over 384,000 vehicles globally, a 13.5% drop from the same period last year. That's Tesla's steepest quarterly decline in deliveries since the pandemic era. But the sharper story lies in what Tesla calls other models, a bucket that includes the Model S, Model X, and most notably, the Cybertruck. In the second quarter of last year, Tesla delivered 21,551 vehicles in this category. But in this year's second quarter, just 10,394 units. That's a 52% collapse in a single year. Now, Tesla doesn't report model-wise numbers, but we can piece together the picture. In the first quarter of this year, registration data reportedly showed about 7,100 Cybertrucks were sold out of 12,900 other models. That's more than half. If that trend held, analysts reportedly estimate Tesla likely delivered somewhere between 5,000 to 6,000 Cybertrucks in the second quarter. Let's put that into perspective. Back in 2023, Elon Musk told investors he expected Tesla to produce 250,000 Cybertrucks per year by 2025. We're now halfway through the year and Tesla has barely hit a fraction of that. And that's because Cybertruck sales have faced numerous challenges. In March this year, Tesla recalled over 46,000 Cybertrucks after reports that stainless steel trim panels could come loose and fly off while the truck was in motion. That was no one-off. It marked the 8th Cybertruck recall in just over a year. The issues range from faulty accelerator pedals to windshield wiper failures, software glitches, hydraulic steering faults, and even the wrong adhesive being used in manufacturing. And while Elon Musk once promised a 500-mile range, real-world users are reporting just around 200 miles per charge. The much-talked-about range extender, once touted on Tesla's website, that's now allegedly missing entirely, with no official update or explanation. And then there's the price tag. The Cybertruck starts at around $80,000 and can go well above $100,000, pushing it out of reach for most mainstream buyers. That, combined with repeated recalls and underwhelming real-world range, has fueled skepticism even among Tesla fans. Reports indicate some owners say the Cybertruck feels less like a finished product and more like a prototype on wheels. It's not just the Cybertruck that's under pressure. Tesla's core business has taken a hit too. The company's stock is down this year. EV demand is sluggish, competition is rising, and some investors are growing impatient. But there's a new variable in the mix, a growing public feud between Elon Musk and President Donald Trump. The two once appeared aligned on policy and vision. But since last month, that relationship has fractured with sharp jabs traded online and in interviews. And all this is unfolding as the US government winds down federal EV tax credits, which once helped offset the Cybertruck's hefty price tag, but now leave some buyers looking elsewhere. That's had unintended consequences, with the Cybertruck reportedly increasingly associated with America's polarized right-wing culture war. Some allegedly say it's become a symbol to fans, a badge of defiance to critics, a target for vandalism. So where does Tesla go from here? the Cybertruck was supposed to open a new frontier. Instead, it's struggling to find traction in sales, in perception, and in delivery. Allegedly, about 10,000 unsold Cybertrucks now linger at US dealerships. Meanwhile, Tesla faces a wider challenge. A global EV market that's shifting fast, with Chinese giant BYD now reportedly on track to overtake Tesla as the world's biggest electric vehicle maker. Besides, Tesla's momentum is eroding in two of its most crucial markets, China and Europe. At the same time, multiple recalls, missed targets, and feature omissions have sparked questions among consumers and investors about Tesla's execution strategy and product readiness. For now, the Cybertruck remains on the road. Will its shortcomings sink Tesla? Probably not. However, its place in automotive history may depend not on what it is today, but whether Tesla can fix what it failed to deliver.
Firstpost now available in 9 languages on YouTube. English,
Stands at $36 trillion.
French,
Le FMI, comme
German,
Geschäftsführenden Direktor,
Hindi,
$30 trillion ka karjo.
Indonesian,
Pemerintah tanpa pemeriksaan.
Italian,
Sekali radikali.
Japanese,
4 trilhões以上.
Portuguese,
Por causa do próprio balanço patrimonial.
Spanish.
Beautiful bill.
Go to Settings, click on Audio Track and select the language of your choice. Be the first to know what's happening around you in your first language. Firstpost.